Therefore, we are doing this adjustment. What we have to do now? We have to convert the term inside this bracket in terms of sign. Hi everyone, welcome to daily practice. In this video, I am going to give you step-by-step explanation for the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end so that you will get complete idea of how to solve these type of questions. During the explanation, if you find any difficulty, then share it in the comment box or DM it on my Instagram. Without any further delay, let's start solving the given question. First, we will observe the given question, that is sine inverse inside the bracket 5 under root of 1 minus x square minus 12 x divided by 13. Now, here you can see that we have sine inverse. So what we will have to do? We will have to substitute the value of x such that the term inside the bracket, it will get converted to function of sine. Then this sine and this sine inverse will get cancelled, and then we will get a simplified form of this given function. Now, how to reduce this bracket into a function of sine? Now here you can see that we have 5, we have 12, and they both are divided by 13. Now if we have a triangle of right angle triangle, suppose it has angle alpha, then 5, this is 12, and this will be a 13. Now we have obtained this 13 using Pythagoras theorem. Now here you can see that this function inside the bracket, if we put sin alpha is equal to 5 upon 13, then and cos of alpha is equal to 12 upon 13, and if we put x is equal to sin theta, then what we will get? See, 5 root of under root of 1 minus x square minus 12x divided by 13. Then after splitting, what I will get? 5 upon 13 under root of 1 minus x square minus 12 upon 13 into x. Now I will put x is equal to sin theta, sin alpha is equal to 5 upon 13, and cos alpha is equal to 12 upon 13 in this, and then what I will get? Sin alpha into, if I put sin theta in this term, what I will get? 1 minus sin square theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos theta, and this cos square theta and root of cos square theta will be give me cos of theta. This minus as it is 12 upon 13. Now this 12 upon 13 is cos alpha, and this x is equal to sin theta. Now here you can see that we can use the formula sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b, which is equal to sin a minus b. So I can use the formula sin a minus b. Here a is alpha and b is theta, so alpha minus theta. So this is the sin alpha minus theta. So this is how we have reduced this part of function to sin of alpha minus theta. So I hope you have understood how we have converted this function to sin alpha minus theta. Now we will solve this properly. Solution. First step is we will assume let y is equal to sine inverse of 5 under root of 1 minus x square minus 12x upon 13. Now what I will do? I will split the denominator. Then what I will get? Sine inverse of 5 upon 13 under root of 1 minus x square minus 12 upon 13 into x. What we have to do now? We have to convert the term inside this bracket in terms of sign. So therefore we are doing this adjustment. Now we can see that 5, 12 will give 13. Now we can see that these numbers are nothing but Pythagorean triplet. So what I will do? I will put x is equal to sine theta. 5 upon 13 is equal to sine alpha, and 12 upon 13 is equal to cos of alpha. Then what I will get? Y is equal to sine inverse of 5 upon 13, that is sine alpha, into under root of 1 minus x square. What is the value of x? Sine square theta, minus 12 upon 13, which is equal to cos alpha, and value of x is sine theta. Therefore I will simplify this further. Sine inverse of sine alpha. Now this 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, and under root of cos square theta is cos theta minus cos alpha into sine theta. Now this is in the form of sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, which is equal to sin of A minus B. Therefore what I will do? Sin inverse of this entire term is expanded form of sin of alpha minus theta. From this equation I will find out value of theta, which is equal to sin inverse of x. Now this sin inverse and this sin, these both will get cancelled. Then what I will be left with? Y is equal to alpha minus theta. Now I will put the value of theta, this value of theta, in this equation. Then what I will get? Y is equal to alpha minus theta. Theta is sin inverse of x. Now we have simplified this given function into y is equal to alpha minus sin inverse of x. Therefore I will rewrite this function y is equal to alpha minus sin inverse of x. As we have simplified this given function to this new function, now it is simple for us to differentiate this function with respect to x. So what I will do? I will differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx will be, now alpha is a constant function, so derivative of constant function will be 0 minus derivative of sin inverse, which is 1 upon 1 minus x square under root of 1 minus x square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. This is the required answer for this question. This is the required answer for this question. I hope you have understood the step-by-step explanation that I have given you in this video. If this is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to share your doubts in the comment box or DM them to my Instagram handle. That's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.